I think the people on this project should take tremendous pride out of what's been achieved in this project. There's been some fantastic achievements, both in terms of the technical side and the engineering side, transforming the existing station, 60-metre deep piles running alongside the Northern Line, through to the works on the Northern Line platforms and the 8-month closure, replacing 1,000 tonnes of cast iron with equivalent amounts of steel to open the Northern Line platforms up on time without any injury or any reportable incident, right the way through to the logistics and what we're seeing now on the M&E and fit-out works, 300,000 metres of cable and 80,000 tiles and all the other coordination and logistics that go with that. I mean, immense amounts of pride and a world-class asset that they've contributed towards the delivery.
Yeah, for most people, arriving at Tottenham Court Road each day is their job. It's their day job, and they just take work in their stride. And I know from showing visitors around this project how blown away they are with the work that we're doing and some of the challenges that we've overcome. And for me to feed that back to the team after each visit is very, very difficult to describe how someone else has actually seen what they're doing and what it means to them. So for people who just turn up here and consider this their day job, really this is something more than that. This is a flagship project. We are doing something special for the transport and the infrastructure of London, and it would be great for people to recognise that and take a step back once in a while and really understand what they're contributing to here. Now is the time that we're heading into opening the new station, where we feel that we want to bring this team now and recognise that we are one team, and that we are delivering a major project, a major infrastructure project. And Steve and I really want to take this opportunity to bring the teams even closer together and to deliver this major project. What does happen next, Steve?
What happens next? Well, opening of phase 1, January the 12th, 2015. Fantastic new ticket hall, new Oxford Street entrance and the opening to the Northern Line. And then we go straight into phase 2, no rest at all for the team, unfortunately, as we look to demolish and integrate the new the existing ticket hall with the new, and reopen the Central Line platforms by putting the new staircase and lift shaft. And then really it's then for opening the new plazas, the new glass plazas, and completing in September 2016.
Last year we went through a transition from the civils and tunnel and phase handling over into the fit out architectural and M&E works. As we get closer to the completion of phase 1, we're going to welcome some of those tunneling and civil engineering tradesmen back into the project, which will be great to see. They'll hopefully see how the station's been transformed since they left, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to opening the new station.
I'd just like to say a real thank you for the commitment. And there's a lot of people on the project through the tunnels phase, the civils phase, that have moved on. But I know just for all the leaving dues and all the people when they've moved on from this project and those that are here currently, you do get a common sense of pride and satisfaction for working at Tottenham Court Road. And I know it's something that they that from what people say, they boast about down the pub, and it's something that people take a general pride in having worked here.
This is proper team effort. Everybody's trying to push forward in the same direction. I mean, from the people I work with on site, the subcontractors, all the guys I've got around me in my team, London Underground, we all work in the same direction. Yeah, in my part of it, no one works against each other. Everybody's trying to push and all work in the same direction.
I'm working with the best in the construction industry, to be honest. They're all professional.
Yeah, I think Richard, it's the different people that I've come across, different trades, because when I've worked on other jobs, road jobs, it's been flail through, straighten it out and do the tarmac and away you go. But with these different trades and stuff like that, it's just interesting to see how we adapt to each other.
So it's definitely got more busy. more intense, really, as a build-up to this sort of key milestone that we've got going forward.
I do believe the station has grown old gracefully. I do think it's time for change. The ambience of the location, I think, will be greatly improved, I mean massively improved.
I think one of the biggest challenges is when we changed from the tunnels work and the civils work, actually, I don't know, establishing our footprint on site and to actually manage all the logistics and the coordination of all the works and the follow-on works from the civils works.
From a services point of view, there were some challenges there to make the new services come online with the existing services that's running an operation in the station at the moment to continue.
But this place has been a lot more about engagement, and also it's, you know, the safety aspects and everything. Maybe as a subcontractor, maybe think a little bit differently about the site that I work on. I think that's probably what I'll take away from it.
Yeah. For me personally, I mean, I take a lot of pride in what I do, and hopefully that cascades down to the rest of the team, and certainly cascades down to me from the rest of the team above me.
This is the most professional best job I've ever worked on, and I'd be hard pushed to find another one that'll be as good as this.
I know it looks at times like we'd never get there, but now I think we're actually looking as if we're on track.
However it improves anybody's life who comes through this station, I've had a little bit of that. I've definitely made some great friends here, and I will keep in contact with for as long as I possibly can. Yeah.